Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of this short 5-video series about how to use helium-10 for product research. Now in the last episode we demonstrated how you do the product method using black box, and we found a potential winner. So now in this episode I'm going to dive into this product and explain why I believe this could be a winner. Now let's investigate this product listing. As you can see here, if you already have the helium-10 Chrome extension installed, a lot of crucial product information will show up at the top. And as you can see, if you look at the 30-day revenue, it has in fact turned over around $12,000. And as you know, we capped it at $12,000 as the max. And this is slightly over, which can happen, but it is basically $12,000. But don't worry if you don't already have the helium-10 Chrome extension, as if you click the video that just appeared on my screen, there's a video that breaks down everything you need to know about the Chrome extension. So let's have a dive into this product now. The reason I chose this as a potential winner is because it has 52 pockets. So the window would be if we could bring out, for example, 50 pockets, as it's a nice round number and people generally look for that. 52 is a bit random. You don't necessarily need 52 pockets in order to have a good photo album. A lot of people might just want 50, maybe even 40, and they are charging $7.99. So for example, you could bring out the same product with 40 pockets, charge $5.99, and then that's how you could take the market. But as you can see here, this particular colour, glittering black, has actually only sold 50 in the past month. So the 12,000 revenue must actually be from all these colours combined. But we can find this out now. So as I mentioned, you do need the helium-10 Chrome extension, but assuming you already have that now, you click this at the top, and now you click on the XRAY tool, and now this will fetch the data from all of the colours combined so we can see where the sales are coming from. Okay, here we go. So now if I go navigate here to ASIN sales and click this has now sorted all the different colours in order of sales. So we now know what the most popular colour is, and I'm sure you can see the power of this tool, because without this you would not have known this information. You'd just be shooting in the dark trying to figure out what's most popular. Granted, it does show up on Amazon now, and it did, as we saw, it did say 50 plus bought, but it's not as accurate as using XRAY. This makes the process a lot more simple. Imagine if there was 100 colours and you had to individually click each one of those colours in order to find out this information. Whereas if you just go on XRAY, you can get a nice organised list in speed order of this information, which is much more efficient. Okay, so now if I click on this top result, this will now bring us to the popular colour. Here we go. This has now solved that issue, because this now says 400 plus bought in the past month, and that's how you can also see that XRAY is more accurate, because XRAY told us there was 562 bought in the past month, whereas Amazon is saying 400 plus. So obviously, again, do your own research, and this is not financial advice, but these are the different data points you want to be looking at. You have the 400 plus bought on Amazon, the 562 and XRAY, so then somewhere in the middle of those two is the truth, as obviously the helium tools may not be 100% accurate, but it is very close. But based off this, what I would suggest now is, this is also 52 pockets, and the colour is raining hearts. So now, if I was to sell this product, I would know I need to sell the raining hearts colour as a starting point, and then over time, I would then go through in speed order and release these colours one by one. And then that's how, over time, I could eventually emulate what this product has done with all their same colours, but just do 40 pockets or 50 pockets instead of 52. And that's how we can be different and compete, because we're not just shooting in the dark, we're basing it off information from our competitors. And that's about it for episode 2. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more information like this. Now in the next episode, I'll be taking this a step further and showing you how you can actually use helium-10 to analyse what your competition has done well and what they've done wrong. So be sure to stick around, and I'll see you in the next episode.